Next is your activity for your letter A. Okay, next is your activity. Now, let's start your small a. Yes, you go your halfway through your curve, into it, go up and out, come out. Yes, and once again let's go through it. You go your halfway through curve, up, and you come down. So I will write it for you here. Halfway through, your curve, you come out. You're halfway through curve, you go up and down. Once again, you're halfway through curve, go up and out. It's now, can we do this activity? Yes, we shall only trace over through your dots to learn the formation for A. You trace over your dots up and down. It's A. Again, you start from here, you come down your curve, up and down. A. Two more to go. Trace over, down, A. Again, trace over, A. So now you learned your formation also. Okay, now here is your letter A. You start from down, go up, you come down, and your line in the middle, A. Start from down, go up, come down, a small line in the middle, A. Go up, come down, and your line in the middle, A. Now A and your sound A. You write it into these two lines, A. Again, write it into the two lines, A. Write it into the two lines, A. Okay, so you have done your formation for your letters. Now, let's do a small activity over here. Now, over here, children, we need to color the pictures that begin with the sound A. We need to color the pictures which begin with the sound A. Okay, so first now can we see what are the pictures here? What all the pictures will start? What are these words or the pictures which starts with A? That is the pronunciation A. Now we have astronaut, ant, elephant, igloo, ambulance, and an alligator. Yes. Now all the pictures which starts with A, we will color it. Now the first one is astronaut. Does it start with the sound A? Astronaut? Yes. So now shall we color it? Now we will color the picture which starts with your sound A. So first one is an astronaut. We are coloring astronaut, which starts with your sound A, that A. Now, next one is ant. Yes, the sound is A. Yes, yes. So ant, and your sound is A. So we need to color ant. We need to color the picture, the ant. We need to color the ant. So next it is ant. Now next we have an elephant. Does elephant sound as with your sound A? No. Next one we have an igloo. Does it start with the sound A? No. Next we have an ambulance. Does it start with the sound A? Ambulance? Yes. So we need to color ambulance. So now I'm coloring ambulance for you. Ambulance. So now we are done even with ambulance, which starts with the sound A. Okay. Now next we have an alligator. Alligator, does it start with your sound A? Alligator? Yes, A. Alligator. So now we should color the alligator. Yeah. So now we are going to color the alligator too. Okay, so now can we say it once again? All the pictures which start, color the pictures which start with the sound A. Yes, astronaut, ant, ambulance and alligator. So we have done even the activity. So once let me tell you once again, what we learned was your letter A, your sound A. We listened to the story regarding that. Yes, we also sang a song with A and A. We have done your activity and your formation of your letter A, sound A.